Hey there, I'm going to show you how to do some marbled royal icing dipped cookies. So right here I have some royal icing that I made using just some meringue powder to make it really nice and easy. And I'm using some gel food coloring. That way I can just kind of swirl in a really deep color, and then I'm going to be dipping my cookies into this. The thing that's awesome about royal icing for this is that it hardens once it dries. So instead of having to do some big fancy decoration like you normally do with royal icing, you can actually just use a toothpick and some food coloring and go ahead and dip it in and let it kind of create the design for you. It's fun as you get going to mix colors together and stuff too, but to start off, it's nice to start with just some separate colors because as you get dipping, those colors will start to mix if you're using more than one. So I usually tend to do, several using our single colors, and then I'll kind of move on from there. But look at how cool these look without having to, individually design each cookie. You can just go ahead and use that toothpick to kind of create some art, and then as you are dipping, you can either just remove straight like I'm doing there, or you can kind of even create a little bit of a swirl. Sometimes after a little while, I'll even add in an extra dollop or two of the white royal icing. That way you can continue to create swirls, because obviously our colors do start to mix after a little while. And then with this one, I am using a couple different colors. Like I said, it's a lot of fun, but again, it does start to mix as you go. So you can always just add on a little bit more of your white royal icing to kind of get a fresh start. But these are super fun, obviously, for like 4th of July or any party really, but I used the red, white, and blue with our stars here. So yeah, have fun. You can do this with your Christmas cookies, anything like that. It looks super impressive, except it's very easy to do. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. I will put the recipe in the comments for the royal icing. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and follow.